Hello everyone, I'm going to show you solar panel with a power bank. I bought it from Pinduoduo from China. Let's go to show you. Inside we have one solar panel with power bank and cable for lamp and lamp. We can charge this power bank with solar and we use it. We can charge smartphone in here. Look at it. It's very good. Look at it. Lamp, light, and smartphone charging. It's very good thing. Yeah.